Okay, good morning to everyone. I am Shalvadra taking the class about how birds fly. Generally, we saw the birds flying in the sky, help of wings. How wings made up of? Wings made up of feathers as lightweight and also strong muscles. The bird is pushing the air downwards and making very free in the pressure of upwards, and whereas it has body is streamlined and also this body is made up of hollow bones. Because of that, weight is less. It has got less weight. So while moving the bird, the wings are pushing the air downwards and it is moving up and it is going in on the way by sky. Just like that, aeroplane will also fly by this Bernoulli's principle. So my dear children, do you understand? So you are seeing that the birds are flying in the sky, and also often you can observe that first the bird is going in a V shape. What is the reason? The first bird is pushing the air downwards. At that crossly the pressure will be decreases. That's why they will follow where the easiest flight they will follow. That's why you are looking from the earth. The birds are flying in the air like a V shape. Do you got it? So this is the nothing but hard work of the wings of a bird. Thank you.